Saw blade mounting. Large saw blade teeth clockwise cutter, small saw blade teeth counterclockwise. Dividing knife dust cover installation effect. Shelf mounting. Pallet tube installation. Installation effect of pallet tube. Auxiliary worktop mounting. There are 2 pieces for the 45-degree model and only 1 piece for the 90-degree model. Installation of small ruler. Mounting against the mold post. Mounting of die holder. Installation of the leaning ruler. Above is the vacuum cleaner wiring and below is the precision saw wiring. Wiring method: 3-phase motor type is 3 fire wires, 2-phase motor type is 2 wires, 1 fire wire plus 1 zero wire. Three-phase motor type. Note: before use, please confirm whether the motor steering is correct. Start the machine, and then immediately shut down to confirm that the motor steering is correct. The correct steering is large saw blade clockwise, small saw blade counterclockwise, if the motor steering the opposite. Please switch any 2 of the 3 wires to the next position.